Welcome to another episode of the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. I won't be doing this in this episode. No, that's for another time. But what you will see is me mucking about with subframes. Also, I'll be revealing who won the merch, the care package, the Gentleman's Motor Racing mug for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So, you ready? Run BT! Well, here we go. These are my little brackets that I've made to beef up the subframe. Goes there. I've just fabricated this out of 2mm steel, and this is going to go in the front of the front subframe to effectively box it in. Should add a bit of strength, shouldn't it?
Perfect. This one's quite nice because it's not constantly on, is it? You can sort of hold it.
Yeah, you can lock it off if you want.
Yeah,
but
my one you got to like, it's just a switch, like on or off.
Oh really?
So if you let it go, you're
This is really good stuff. I've used this before on Bernie the 1275 GT project. So this stuff needs mixing 1:1 in volume, but I've done the whole Trevs Blog trick. Thank you very much, Trev. And what I've done is I've pre-weighed it so I can actually, because trying to get the 100%, 50-50 volume is really hard, especially with this stuff because it's quite thick. But now I know the weights of a set volume, I can do it on the scales. So cheers, Trev. Top tip. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave a description or a link either up here or down here somewhere. It's worth a look, that's for sure. Well, there we go. Thanks to our random selector, Michael Flood, you've won the care package of a workshop mug, stickers and badge. Just let me know where to send it and I'll send it down to you ASAP. If you'd like one of these enamel mugs, I'm selling these on our eBay page. I've only added a couple of quid on top of what they actually cost me to have them made. And I'm also selling some other crap on there. So if you're interested in some second-hand mini parts, just go onto the eBay page and effectively you'll be helping to sponsor the rally build. So thank you very much. Now that I've welded and those subframes are ready to go, I kind of don't have a lot of room in the workshop, so I need to come up with some sort of storage solution that I can actually bolt the suspension onto at the same time.